Summary, what are the green movement's role? Why is our planet damaging? And so on. Introduction. I want to introduce that this is based on the degrading position of the Mother Earth. The article, The Ailing Planet, is based on the degrading position of the Mother Earth. The article, The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role, was written by Nani Palkhiwala and published in the Indian Express on 24th November 1994. Summary. The Ailing Planet. It is a sad commentary on the gradual degrading position of the Mother Earth. The Earth is no more a pleasant place for habitation. The Green Movement is the only hope for this planet and the survival of human race. Green Movement was started nearly 25 years ago. The world's first nationwide Green Party was founded in New Zealand. Green Movement's role. Now, can you tell me what are the Green Movement's role? It is a term that includes the conservation and green politics. It is a diverse scientific, social and political movement which is used for addressing environmental issues. In its recognition of humanity as a participant in ecosystems, it has been centered on ecology, health and human rights. Why is our planet damaging? We, the mankind, are the number one cause for all the destruction happening on the earth. As we are aware that vehicles create a lot of noise as well as air pollution, which has a very bad impact on us as well as on our Mother Earth. The seas and oceans are being poisoned by oil, chemical products, industrial and human waste, which we are throwing away in these resources. Environmental issues. What are the environmental issues responsible for all the destruction happening on the earth? Hunting, logging, poaching, deforestation, industrial and vehicular pollution, etc. are the facts responsible. What is the impact of industrialization? Emission of wastewater. We are throwing away waste and polluted water into rivers and lakes. Waste gases. We are evaporating waste gases into the atmosphere by cooking oily food and through industries. And so on are the other impacts like ecological imbalance, increased salinity, hazardous waste, release of radioactive rays and reduced vegetation. Consequences. What are the consequences? This has resulted in a widespread ongoing extinction of many other species. At current rates, about 33% of the species are at risk of extinction for the next 100 years. The future of humanity will depend on how we steward the resources of land, soil, water and seeds and pass on to the future generation. Ways to save our planet. Now, what are the ways to save our planet? How can we save our planet? We should recycle glass, recycle newspaper, plant more and more trees. Wrap creatively means we can use wrapped papers or we can use waste materials and make our own creative papers. We should plant more and more trees and we should ban the use of plastic bags and polythene. Drive less and drive smart. Less driving means fewer emissions. Besides saving gasoline, walking and cycling are great forms of exercises. When you drive, make sure that your car is running efficiently. As nowadays, we are having the drive less and drive smart in the option of odd and even. Constitutional and legal action affairs. The Article 48A of the Constitution provides for the state to protect and conserve forests and wildlife, but the truth is quite contrary. At last, I want to quote that we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers. We have borrowed it from our children. So we need to save our Mother Earth. Thank you.